Welcome to Art Lesson 4, the Master Outline, where we'll focus on inking your wood. This lesson is about bringing your anime design to life with permanent ink. Let's recap our pencil foundations. Last lesson, we mapped out our characters and bold letters. Since ink on wood offers no undo, check your proportions and borders carefully. Does your layout match your master plan? Explore the beauty of line weight for creating depth. Use thick outer lines to make characters pop, acting as a container. Use thin inner lines for delicate details like hair and facial features. Varying thickness gives your art a 3D look. Mastering the wood surface involves 3 steps: the one-pass rule, minding the grain, and letter protection. Avoid scrubbing the pen. Use one steady stroke. Be careful of ink traveling along the wood grain. Keep the anime letter borders clean. Do not ink inside yet. Professional inking uses sharp, one-pass lines achieved with confident, continuous strokes. Messy inking, with bleeding and blotches, is caused by hesitating or pausing the pen. Aim for clean, defined artwork. For the inking phase, use your thick marker to outline the main character silhouettes. Use the fine liner for eyes, hair details, and textures. Remember to leave the anime letters blank for now to keep those borders sharp. Next is the erase test, our final polish. Once your ink is completely dry, use a soft eraser to gently remove all the underlying pencil marks. This process makes the black ink look darker and leaves you with a sharp, professional finished piece. Now, reflect on your progress. How does the contrast of the black ink against the natural wood change the feeling of your artwork compared to the initial pencil version? Some insights include: the lines look more confident, the wood texture stands out, and the piece looks more professional. Also, errors from the pencil stage are now hidden or locked in,